In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend in Adobe Sign. Whether you're managing contracts, forms, or agreements, knowing how to resend a document can be incredibly useful, especially if your original recipient missed the email or if you want to give them a gentle nudge. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Adobe Sign. If you're familiar with Adobe products, you'll know this is your go-to platform for handling digital signatures and related tasks. Once you're on the Adobe Sign homepage, you'll need to log in. Use your Adobe credentials to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it. But let's assume you're all set with your login information today. Now, once you're logged in, you'll want to find the specific document you're looking to resend. In the navigation panel, click on Documents. If you have a lot of documents, don't worry. Adobe Sign's interface is quite intuitive, making it easy to locate what you need. Under the Documents section, you'll see a part labeled Agreements. This is where all your in-progress documents are stored. For our purposes, you need to find the document you originally sent for signature, so look under the Out for Signature section. After locating the document you wish to address, click on it to open up further options. You'll find a button labeled Remind. Selecting this option will allow you to send a gentle prompt to your recipient. This reminder is a handy tool, as it serves to jog the recipient's memory without any additional hassle on your part. Once you've clicked on Remind, you'll be presented with a set of configurations for how you want the reminder to be sent. You can specify who should receive the reminder. Perhaps you have multiple signers and only want to nudge one of them. Additionally, you can set the frequency of reminders, choosing to send them daily, weekly, or at custom intervals depending on your needs. This flexibility can be useful if you anticipate the recipient may need more than one prompt over time. Finally, after setting up your preferences, click the Create button. This action confirms your settings and sends the reminder according to the configurations you've chosen. Adobe Sign will take care of the rest, ensuring your reminder is sent promptly and professionally. By following these steps, you can effectively use Adobe Sign to resend documents, helping to keep your workflow smooth and ensuring that your important agreements are not overlooked. With this knowledge, you're well equipped to handle any document resending needs swiftly and with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy signing.